Hello and welcome to the WIC cooking class. I'm Celeste and today I'm going to show you how to make fish and vegetable packets for a quick and easy dinner. This is a heart-healthy dish that's low in fat and packed full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamins and minerals boost our immune system and support normal growth and development. Antioxidants reduce the risk of developing many diseases such as heart disease and certain cancers. So to make this dish, you'll need 1.5 cups of shredded carrots, 1.5 cups of fresh snow peas, 2 green onions cut into 1 to 2 inch pieces, and we'll use cod fillets. We would like 4 of these. This recipe serves 4. And then you can also substitute cod with your favorite choice of fish like salmon or tilapia. And if you're not a fan of fish, you can also try chicken instead. We're going to use lemon juice from either a fresh lemon or you can use the lemon juice concentrate. We'll use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, crushed red pepper flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of fresh thyme. And we'll also use butter as well, 4 teaspoons, which are already cut into 4 squares. Some other items that you'll need will be foil or parchment paper, whatever you have on hand, and already cut into 4 pieces. We'll use a baking sheet, a small bowl, a cutting board, knives, and measuring cups and measuring spoons, and also a lemon squeezer. So before we get started, you want to make sure that all countertops and utensils are cleaned and sanitized. Now always be sure to wash your hands. This is going to help prevent the spread of germs and will keep your food and most importantly your family safe. So since this recipe includes fresh produce, be sure to wash all vegetables before cooking. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll preheat the oven to 450 degrees, which I've already done. Next, we'll start cutting our vegetables. We're going to use 2 green onions. We'll cut the ends off here. So the green onions are a really good source of vitamin K, and that helps our blood clot as well as keeps our bones strong and healthy. We can set these aside in our bowl. And since we already bought our carrots shredded, we don't have to cut them, but you're more than welcome to buy whole carrots and shred them yourself. And carrots are a really good source of vitamin A, which is needed for healthy vision. They're also a great source of calcium and vitamin K, which is good for bone health. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of these. And next we'll use snow peas, and they're a perfect size already, so we don't have to do anything to them. Snow peas are very nutritious. They're packed full of vitamins and minerals, and they work to help us stay healthy and lowers our risk of developing diseases. Now I'm going to cut off a few little bad spots on here. But you can just eat these whole, and it's a good source of fiber as well. And we can just mix these all together. Alright, now we can get our foil or parchment paper, whatever you have at home, and we're going to place half of our vegetables on our foil. We just do half now, and we'll do the other half on top of our fish. So now it's time for our codfish. The codfish was already defrosted in the refrigerator, so it's thawed out. And we can just place our fish on top of our vegetables. This fish, it's a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are really good with brain, joint, and heart health. And so anytime that we're handling raw meat, we want to make sure that we wash our hands just to prevent the spread of bacteria to other surfaces. Now we're going to add the remaining vegetable mixture to the fish. Alright, now we're going to get our lemon juice. I already cut our lemon in half. And you can put it in your juicer. And we'll just squeeze this out into our bowl. The lemon juice helps keep our fish moist and gives it a really nice flavor. And it's full of vitamin C as well. Now we'll just spoon this onto our fish. And some pieces are a little bit bigger than the others, so you can just add the rest of the lemon juice to those. Alright, now we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and we'll add dried thyme leaves, a 1/4 teaspoon, another 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt as well. Now these spices are filled with vitamins, minerals, and help aid in digestion and gives our food a lot of flavor. So we'll just kind of mix that up with our hands. Now we're going to sprinkle this all over our fish and our vegetables. Now let's top it off with some butter. These are 4 teaspoons, and I cut into 1 teaspoon each. And we're just topping that on top of our fish to give it some flavor and make sure that it's moist. So the last step is to fold our foil or parchment paper along the edges. So to do this, we'll just gather the foil and start folding along the edges, and then we'll crimp the ends so that it makes a nice little packet. We'll place this on our baking sheet, and we do this with all 4 of them. This keeps our fish moist, and it even allows for easy cleanup too. sure you fold those ends good so that no water leaks out. Alright, now we're gonna place these in the oven and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Here's the final product of the fish and vegetable packets. Thank you for watching. For more recipes like this, like and subscribe to RHN WIC YouTube channel.